Hello guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Quora account in few seconds. So first of all, you just have to open Quora app here. So here you can log in with Google or Facebook. Or if you have your account already, then just go to login. So now you can type your email and password. But in my case, I don't have any accounts, so I need to just go with the Google. So here are my accounts. I'm going to log in with this account. Now here are the topics that you need to follow before just creating the account. Just click on this. And now here you need to choose another language you know. So I am going to choose Hindi and done. So here my brand new Quora account is created. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please comment down below and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.